the life, living large. Tony's in charge, he's got the knowledge, the skills, and the art. Streaming live, stock trading all day, helping people learn and make money their own way. From Wall Street to Tokyo, Tony's got the flow. Teaching the game, ain't nothing to show. He's got the charts, the trends, and the moves. Making profit, making moves, his groove. Trade with Tony, he's the man. Learn from him, you'll join the winning band. Making money worldwide, it's a blast. Trade with Tony, and making fortune fast. Living the life, living large, Tony's in charge. He's got the knowledge, the skills, and the art. Streaming live, stock trading all day, helping people learn and make money their own way. From Wall Street to Tokyo, Tony's got the flow. Teaching the game, ain't nothing to show. He's got the charts, the trends and the moves. Making profit, making moves his groove. Trade with Tony, he's the man. Learn from him, you'll join the winning band. Making money worldwide, it's a blast. Trade with Tony and making fortune fast.
Good morning, everyone. Morning, traders. There's the 8 o'clock scrum. And happy Tuesday to one and all. We're looking at CTNT. Wow, CTNT yesterday. So I traded this yesterday, made a nice little packet on it. But 2 o'clock, I'd finished. It got a choppy around $7. It was 2 o'clock in the morning, so I kind of got finished. So I'll take you back where it all began. So as this started moving up here, where I got in here, so it broke $4, and then up there it pushed down twice, but then it started to make new highs, so I got back in, and I basically rolled that all the way up. Started to get choppy here around $7, so that's where I got out. I gave a little bit back there, and then I got out, and I closed it down and went to bed. And I'm kind of kicking myself now because what happened? I got out here at $7 from 4, made a nice little profit there, but if I just stuck at it, would have had a $2 move there, bit of sideways consolidation for an hour, and then in hour it went mental all the way up to almost $15, 14.67 at the close, and then after hours it just went all the way up to like $46, a high of $45, a high of $45. Mental, absolute mental yesterday, and I'm kind of kicking myself that I didn't stick around and trade it after hours, but shoulda, woulda, coulda. Not great this morning, to be fair. Not seeing a lot worth trading this morning. If it looks like a no trade day at the moment, but we shall see. Oh, let's take a roll call. So good morning to you, Mike Moorhead and John Guilfoyle. Talking about the runs on CTNT. Good, always welcome. Hey, Lisa. Alberto. Get up. Very welcome. Ricky, how you doing? Jasmine? Well, listen to Jasmine. He knows what he's talking about. Hey, Neil. Hey, Hector. Good morning to you, buddy. So, CTNT doesn't look like it's a lot of VWAP now. So we'll see what happens. Top gappers. Let's change those over. Top gappers, we've got direct. Don't like it. Edible Garden. And MMAC, which don't like that either. A bit of a pop and drop on LMFA. Pop and drop there. It's still one of the top movers right now, as it stands. See, just right. And that's pretty much it. Okay. Have a look at Direct Corporation. Good volume coming in, popped up, but not going anywhere. For $1.20, it needs to break out. $1.20, $5.38. It's not breaking out for me, so not really something I'm going to get excited about. What else have we got? That's it. Have a look at the GameStop, shall we? You mentioned GameStop there. Let's have a look at that. And GameStop, it's down on the day at the moment. Sideways and choppy. What about AMC? It's on the 50 indication. It's kind of sideways and choppy since session started. It's slightly up on the session start, but it's down from yesterday's close and the aftermarket high. So look at AMC. So we've got very similar pattern here. Down from yesterday's close and the aftermarket high, but it's slightly up from the not even from the session start. Pretty kind of steady, flat and sideways. Let's have a look at the market. Pretty much flat on the day as it stands right now. We've got these all-time highs, which capped again yesterday. Oh, we actually broke through them yesterday. New all-time highs yesterday. What this? All-time highs. That'll do. So that's new all-time highs on the S&P 500, as represented by the SPY, which is a ETF, Spider S&P 500 ETF from State Street. And the Nvidia got earnings later this week, and that is over 950. You have a session high of 955. So it says 950. Those are algorithmic spikes, they don't count. Look at Hey Alberto. Okay guys, it's not the greatest of Tuesdays to start off with. We'll see. Oh, good. Let's have a look at it. Sold and sold and kept selling yesterday. $12 stock at the peak yesterday. $9 at the yesterday's open. Finished 105. But whilst it's up quite a bit, it's way down on where it was yesterday. This pre-market went up to over $60. Putting that in there. Where? Okay. Well, we'll sit on our hands and wait, shall we, guys? What was the big movie yesterday? I can't remember. ETVP, that was it. Let's have a look at that one. Tried it because of the average volume restriction, average daily volume restriction. So EB, where are we today? Right, okay, the volume dropped right off. It's had 5 million shares traded yesterday. 775 yesterday. That's kind of shows some of the distance there. CTNT after hours was mental, up to $45. Kind of kicking myself. I didn't hold. I was in it up until 7. So I traded it up. I got out at 2. It was 2 o'clock in the morning. So I was up significantly over goal yesterday. And I was getting tired, so I traded it up to 7. It started getting a bit choppy at $7, and I got out, and then went up to $9. After consolidating, it went up to $9. Got a bit choppy consolidating, then it went to $11, then up to 14, just at the close, and then after the close. Then I would imagine the thing is with CTNT, the spreads. Where is it? Spreads were quite rangy anyway. I would imagine when it went all the way up to kind of $45, the spreads were like $1 and $2, if not more. The liquidity dies off after hours. Look at this on the, and look at that. If I traded this from swing in here up to $7 to get a bit choppy, and then I got out. And it started making another move. Pull back and then all the way up. Just imagine getting in here at $10, pull back and then retest at $10. Get in there and then just hold it. Wow, be nice for a couple of thousand shares. Well, that doesn't surprise me, Ricky. Not surprise me. If I look at it on the 1 minute, we'll see exactly what we're talking about. Okay, so this big red candle here was wow. There's $3.50, more $3.70 range on that one big red candle, 1 minute candle, and candle here was a $4 range, over $4. The high to the low, or low to the high. What about nice green candle here? $3, $3.20, $3.40. Like a nice candle. Oh, $5 candle. $5 candle. Saw some big volatility after hours yesterday. I probably wouldn't have traded that anyway. But you kind of have a look at it and you think, yeah, well, what if? And you never would have traded it. It was just too volatile on low volume. wide spreads. Maybe if you're a gambling man, you go in with 100 shares or a couple of hundred shares maybe, and see where it happens. I did that with HKD one evening, and I think I made about 13k off it. Just speculating off 250 shares, I think it was. That was a year ago. As long as you know what you're risking, sometimes it's just not worth the risk. Well, it depends on the spreads at the top end, Ricky. But yeah, sure. Spreads were like $2 up at the top end. You could knock a couple of dollars off that, a couple of thousand off that. But between 25 and 30k, run up. Sure. When I'm with Nicola, I remember this one. Much higher price stock. $5. Okay. Any of you get on CTNT yesterday? Any of you managed to catch the turnaround, the bounce rather? Because if you look at this on the 50, quite a substantial sell-off. Up here like $10, all the way down to like $3. 70% drop for that huge back up. Quite the bounce. So did anybody manage to get some of that as well? I can give it a look for you. There. Rider. MGO Global. It's at 59 cents. Just popped up actually. It's a 20-cent pop. Quite a significant pop up actually. But MGO Global is currently pulling back off the high of 59 cents. We're in that. Up to you. It was a 23-cent stock at close yesterday, so lovely amount. Any news why it's moved? I can have a look for you. Oh. NGO Global. No catalyst. And on significantly higher relative volume, but just no catalyst, so I don't know why it's moving. Under 7 million in the flow. Done 38 million today. Can't see any news catalyst at all. On moving up. Penny stocks. Yeah, I should start trading penny stocks. You move big. Commission broker. So. done. If I went 5,000 shares, it wouldn't be worth it. In order to get 10-cent move, 500 bucks, 5,000 shares, then not worth it. Like, inside of one of these. And earnings faded. Nothing. And he's going red on the day. Direct over the viewer. No range on it. Much. In terms of volatility, it's a bit of a crappy morning again. So we're coming to the bottom of the hour. 9 minutes. 8.5 minutes before there's a new drop. Anything. Good way. On our hands. I don't know about that, Ricky. I mean, it went down to $3 yesterday before bouncing. I mean, we'll get to $3 again and then bounce again. You never know. I'm good, Adam. How you doing, buddy? Alright guys, while we're waiting for some action to drop, why don't you do us all a favour and smash the like button. Hit that thumbs up. You know you want to do it now. Less than half of you have. I don't know why it's such a struggle every day to get at least half of you to hit that thumbs up button. I mean, come on here and leech and watch. No, it's not difficult to hit the thumbs up button. It's not too much to ask, I'm sure, but or is it? I mean, am I being ridiculous when I ask you to hit the thumbs up button or Faraday, very sideways, no range on it. It looks to be done for now. I see Faraday will extremely heavily shorted. It gets another catalyst, it could explode. Because shorts have definitely doubled down on it. And gets another catalyst, it definitely explode. That's my thoughts on Faraday, George. It's back over kind of $2. I can see this moving up to maybe $5. But not on the current vol. Not what it's doing right now. It's just sideways, choppy. By the way, this one's an algo spike. Oh, the 50. Oh, this is an algo spike. That's not a real. That's not a real price action. Same as this, not real price action. This is just an opening algo spike on the day, and this 8 o'clock algo spike. So not real price action. Not. On. My buttons aren't working. Second, guys, I'm just gonna have to refresh. I'm just gonna have to refresh my my desktop. My buttons are not working. So just bear with me 1 second. Hey guys, don't know what's going on here. Having a bitchy. So I'll see it through this, but I can trading right now. Right. Picked up. I thought it was going to take $9 then. All right. $250 area, so we're looking at breakout here, pivot at 327, but that $250 area is proving a little bit difficult for BRX. Oh, a $1.27 yesterday. It has moved up quite a bit already, over 100%, down to the highs. Currently 74%. Oh, where did that come from? Mango who? Mangoceuticals. From 25 cents up to 80 cents, 3 minutes. Wow. Lots of it trying to get on. Item. So MGRX for penny stock lovers, literal pennies. Well, let's have a look at why, because that's got a good catalyst of watching a bit later in the day. Alright. Mango soup. So it's just shy of 15 million in the float, huge relative volume, and to introduce an oral semaglutide and tirzepatide. There you go. Also increasing patient demand for GLP-1 medication. Men's wellness product. So, perk your pepper up. The guy I was talking to, one of the hired expats here, where I was talking to, 77 years old, and taken up with a young Filipina girl, and she's 23, and went to the doctors, getting married to this 23-year-old, and said to the doctor, he said, "Doctor, I need some of those, pep me up pills for my pecker." "Albert, what do you need one of those for?" He said, "Well, I'm getting married and she's 23, she's got no expectations for the wedding night." The doctor said, "Getting married, you're over 70 years old, getting, this kind of medication, it can be fatal." And he said, "Well, if she dies, she dies." thing. Making $9. Breaks $9 might take it. Ivan Drago was in the guy that almost killed Rocky. Modern, I can't see. Oh, I'm having some gremlins. Second. Having all kinds of issues this morning. Try again. Order it and I couldn't see it. I thought, I mustn't have executed, but apparently it did. So I looked down at my PLL and I've got unrealized. I thought, what's going on? I had to reconfigure and reload my load the platform. Okay. Hopefully we'll have no more issues. What do I think about Peggy? Pineapple Energy Group. What do I think about it? Had a good couple of days. Had sort of volatile couple of days. I don't know about good, but it's had a volatile couple of days. Where it's up from kind of 6 cents up to 6 cents. I don't trade these penny stocks because 10-cent move is a big move for them. But you have to think about it this way. It's down. A 10-cent move on this one would be like 40, 50, 30, 40% move upside. That's more, 60% move to upside. And to profit from that, you're going to have to be more realistic. You're looking at a 3-4% move intraday. And to profit from that, you're going to have to take big size. You can take 10,000 shares, maybe 20,000, 25,000 shares, just to get a decent return on it. In which case, you're going to get hit with your commissions. If your commissions is per share, ouch. You're going to get hit with ECN fees, ouch, because that's always per share. And of course, you've got and SEC fees are not too much, but still per share. You're going to have to sort of wheel it eat into your profits because you're not going to make a huge amount on 2 cent move. 25,000 shares, a 2 cent move, that's like $500, so, and then you're probably going to be paying $300 in fees and charges. So, yeah, just be careful with these penny stocks. Trading them with a free commission broker, then, or a free transaction broker, I should say, then it might be worthwhile doing from time to time, but at the time, I can't see any benefit. Yes, you have the potential for these to, 3, 4, 5, 100% by just going up to over $1. But like I say, in order to profit from that move, really got to take big size, and big size opens yourself risk to need whereby commissions and charges. It shouldn't be lagging now, Jackie. Why don't you? Should be a lag. There's always latency on the stream, which is one of the reasons I say don't follow me blindly, because there's a latency on the stream, but it should only be about 14 seconds tops. So Jackie Lamb, anybody else? If you hit the live button on YouTube, there's sometimes, depending on your connection, sometimes lags, and you can hit the live button and it will bring you up to speed again. It bring you up to date. Nothing worth trading. Yet. Double spiked, anything, 5. Top 3 gappers there at the bottom of your screen. Yesterday, trade this now. I should be able to trade this. Right. Right. 10% margin requirement. Not that it matters. Yep, it's tradable. It's tradable today. Wasn't tradable yesterday when it made its big move. Tradable today. Thank you very much. Yeah. So nervous about it this time. $4.25, which is good. brings it clean on the day. I'm going to take half off. What's wrong with mine? Back nice. Going off there. Of a goal on the day. Oh, nice. Oh, lovely. Wait for a pullback to the next entry. Nice, gone without me. Oh, got it. Just breaks and close. Close it. Get back half. Got some range on it. Not that much. Work it for the top, like I said. That's on it. Oh, fun. Like these volatile stocks. Got to be quick in and quick out though. We've got to be well over goal, but we've got to be 5k up. Gosh, we're 5k up. But always leave something on the table. Wait for it to break 30 confidently now. Nice if I've been able to trade this yesterday. Went up from like $3 all the way up to 11. Well, I think it may go again, but it's going to be $13 before I get back in. I thought it was going to break $13 when I got the last entry. And I realised it got rejected, so I bought 12 and got the bounce up. Rejected twice at 13. Okay. A lot of penny stock movers this morning. Little pennies. High up. 26%. Well, it's still moves. Let's see what else. Nothing else moving like right now. A couple of volatility. No, not volatility. A couple of news holes. We've got 35 minutes before the market opens, guys. So a little spending. Breaks over that. Fine. 30. No. Entry. Oh, that is. Morning, Tom. How you doing, buddy? How'd you fare yesterday? Did you manage a green day yesterday? Catch any of CTNT? Okay. Mondays, I shouldn't trade on Mondays. It's not usually the best day. Good day yesterday, though. 8K yesterday. Yeah, you best just watch it. If you choppy days, like up until after, it was about 11 o'clock before it started getting some nice moves yesterday. Very choppy up. But I was proud of myself yesterday because I had about 4 losing trades, but they were all less than $100. So I was cutting those losers very quick yesterday. Extra K on top. In there, $500. More then. On that one. Oh, it's very psychological level. So, but it should not be. Range on this, 84 cents on the NTR. test the highs one last time. My fault. Morning, Chesty. Break 15 for one last time. Over 50. Next, slightly. Getting a bit choppy up there. Difficult to manage that. Take the 43. I was in a little bit higher, a little bit higher volume than I really wanted to, but got devil horns on the 5 minute. Devil horns here on the 5 minute. So now it's time. Wait for a new high of day, or don't bother. So kind of thought 1 minute devil horns here. I kind of thought I had an opportunity, but once it got in there as well, I was able to get back out for a profit. Happy days. break below the 9 here. Gotta wait. Any support at 40. No. $10 green. That's a good start, Tom. Good stuff. I've not bought. I've not thought it might pull back. I don't know about that, Chesty. People were complaining that my other mic was bad, so I changed it to the camera mic. Yeah, it was due this pullback, so metal horns on the 5. Do you see the tickers okay there, Tom? I had a few complaining yesterday that tickers weren't visible, so on TikTok, tickers okay, that's fine. Direct breaking out. That one. Even mosquitoes flying around. Try later. Probably Chesty. Probably Chesty. Benzinger all the way, absolutely. Hey, Alistair. We're continuing this nice little green streak. And will be day 11. Day 11 green. So Monday the 6th was the last red day. You can go for the rest of the month. That would be nice. Oh. Close to high of day, which is 254. How's the mic on TikTok? That okay? Is it fine? Okay, well, I'll change the mic back to. I've just disconnected the mic. We'll have to work with this one for now. Just disconnected the mic. We'll work for this one for now. I'll have a proper look at that later. I might need to replace it. I've got the old headphone Madonna my thing, but I don't like it. It makes your ears sweat. Oh, I'm glad that we weren't in that. Oof. Oh, I did say the devil horns on the 5 was it needed a pullback, like a pullback, but my goodness. That's not a pullback. That's a push. Dropped any news? Direct offering at the market. There you go. You've always got to be a little bit suspect when it's done nothing for months, and literally nothing. You're talking like 6,000 shares a day for months, and then all of a sudden yesterday 60,000 shares, sorry, 60 million shares get traded, and it moves up huge amounts. Always got to be a little bit wary of things like that. So direct offering. I was looking for a shelf on this yesterday as well, and I couldn't find one. I think I went back all the way to the beginning of the year, didn't find one. I'm just going to see if it was free form effect. October was an S3. Yeah, so there you go. I didn't check back far enough yesterday. Self-registered last October. Just announced offering there. So that's why that's dropped. Hard to borrow, can't short the hell out of it. 3.2 million registered direct offer. It priced at the market at $4.35 per share. $4.35. It's up at $14 and they go at $4.35 per share. I mean, come on. Really? All those bag holders at $12 and $13, $11, $10 even? Ah, come on. Get rid of that off the list. I hope none of you are still holding up there. Yeah, a little over $4 a share, Peter. Direct offering. So it's basically lost everything, all today's gains. All the way back down to 8. But saying that, on Friday, this was a $2 stock. I mean, well, $3 stock. It closed at 312 on Friday. So it's still up there. That's an advertisement for why you don't want to trade in consolidation pre-market. Because if that was after the bell, you would have been stopped with a nice little volatility hold. Still, if you got stuck in the volatility hold, you would have gapped down. Ouch. And moving average crossover doesn't help you. So look, moving average crossover, the death cross was here as it flushed. That wouldn't help either. I am. Should have been 5k, Alistair. I was 5k up, gave half of it back, and then we worked it back up to 4. But take the 4. Yeah, don't like it. It's normal though, when you hit the market with a secondary offering, with a direct offering, it's normal to lose 60-70% of your market value, of your share value. I mean, this was when they announced it, $14, down at $7, so that's 50%. Potentially falling, so 60 to 70% is normal. Television, I don't like. Oh, I'm ready to lock it down. I'll stick around for the first few minutes of the open, but I'm ready to lock it down. Look, it was hiring day yesterday. I finished it after 2 a.m. for me. If I'd stuck around a bit longer, it probably would have been a 30, 40k day. But I didn't, so shoulda, woulda, coulda. Yeah, trading till 2 a.m. Jack. And I got tired. I was trading CTNT yesterday, and it bounced off $3. I traded it all the way up to 7. Started to get a bit choppy around 7. I was getting tired, so I just I locked it down there. 8K day, so I was significantly over goal. No margin, Adam. EPBP. There's no leverage. 110% requirement on CMEG. What are pork scratchings like in the Philippines, Chesty? Fantastic. Anything the pork products here, which is pretty much a staple. The pork products are fantastic. The pork scratchings are great. And I started today with 129k in the account. So over 100k in profit on the month of May. We're back to the levels we should be at. Still got almost 2 weeks to go. Week and a half, because we've had after today 2 days plus half a day left of today. No trading on Monday, so that's 7.5 days. Oh, you know. Yeah, what were the not just pork scratchings, but the little bar snacks. And so you get the pork scratchings, and you'd also get the scampi and lemon fries. That was it. Scampi and lemon fries. They were absolutely disgusting. I mean, smelled disgusting. Tasted quite nice. Let's see what else moves. Tell you what, guys, this trading mark is not what it's cracked up to be, you know. Not as easy as people make out. Who's not smashed the like button yet? Who's not hit the thumbs up button yet? Shame on you. Talking of pork scratches, I've got some little meat jerky here for the floof. Someone smashes that like button, I can give the floof a treat before the bell rings in 4 minutes. I've no idea, Peter. Let's just have a look at this yesterday and versus today. So CTNT, let's look at it on the 50. What I'm talking about. So at the open, this sold off. Go back a little bit. It was quite choppy. It's had some good days. CTNT. If you look at this from a wider perspective, it moved up nicely, some solid days, and then yesterday it sold off hard, and then after 11, but midday actually, it started to move back up, and it moved back up with a vengeance. So if this comes all the way down, it could come all the way back down to yesterday's low. So low of yesterday was 271 before it bounced. So it came all the way down to 271 and then moved back up again. So will it do the same? I don't know. Simple answer. But it could. I wouldn't hold bags in hope that it will. I would just trade the momentum if it does. Edible. No volume on it there, Neil. It's not Bitcoin. These are stocks and shares, RX. Yeah, I'm long biased too, Trevor. With just the nature of if you're trading higher cap stocks, more fluid stocks, then there's advantages to shorting. But when you're trading these low float, low cap stocks, shorting becomes difficult. A lot of them are on, like Edible Garden is on the hard to borrow with my broker. So many of them are hard to borrow. Many of them are on short sale restriction because a lot of them are beat up stocks. So being long biased it makes more sense. And also because we're talking about lower prices, realistically, if you take something like Edible Garden, go long on this, it could double in price, could triple in price, up to $20. Whereas the potential gains are endless or infinite. Whereas if you short it, the most you're going to get is a $5 move to the safe side. So with the higher caps, shorting the higher caps on a bad day it can be worthwhile. Tend to trend. They trend better. They trend with the market. The market's gone red today. There's the bell. Oh, I am a long biased trader, Trevor, yeah. A modulator, you mean moderator, Tom? It's good to be able to have more than, have multiple strings to your bow, though, Trevor. It is good to be able to switch short when necessary. Explain testing $9 again. It's banging like it's gone. Halted to the upside. Yep. Halted to the upside. TNT. I'd wait. I wouldn't get it yet. I'd wait. I'll wait till the 9 crosses the 20th at least. This looks like it's going to gap up some as well. First halt I got in there was a 56. Yesterday I was trading it and then it halted to the upside and it gapped up 50 cents. I was in 5,000 shares, so that was nice. And the materials, breaking highs, still below the VWAP, so not for me. Paying finally over $9 and get to it at 9.05. That hold this time. Okay, had earnings today. Next time. Yeah, Alistair, I'll sort that out now. I was having gremlins there earlier, that's why. I have to restart my platform twice. broke the pre-market high, and it's now a profitable trade. Up, not down. On up. On $0.25. Sold. $25. No, 50 bucks. That's all right. Pays for the trade. Bolted to the upside, GTVP. BTNT should resume in about 1 minute's time. Come back to that. That's material testing the VWAP. Went up to 460 after hours yesterday. Next thing. I am back. Oh, 46. We're looking at 46 on the bid. I'm 46. I'm 45. 45. 947. We'll take half off and put a 10-cent trailing stop in place. And that's how it's done. That's how we make money. How do we make money? That's how it's done. There we go. And CTNT, let's see that get consistent with, instead of these up-down halts, wait till it gets consistent before you try and get in. And we see a couple of halts, a couple of candles moving upwards. A couple of green candles in a row at least, just to give it that confirmation that it's starting to move upwards. And so cheating it, I won't touch this probably until it's over $10. If it moves back up, maybe $8. We'll see. At least $8. Now EVP resumption and. Want to move up. I don't trust it since the offering. I'm going back to the next thing. $1. 975 on the bid. Or 974. 975, then we'll go to take half off, put a 10-cent trailing stop. Place 150 bucks and then put trailing stop in place. $0.60 on the. We'll scale back in if it's over $10. Otherwise, this and trailing stop me out. That's on the ATR. Oh, I got stopped out. Well, that's 6K on the day. Happy days, Tony. Well done. That's a good day's trading. I think it's time to feed the dogs. We've got enough likes, and here she comes. Oh, I've only got one left. Buy some more. So, hello everybody. I want to introduce you all, if you don't know already. This is Miyako. Why's your eye all mucky? Okay, so that's Miyako. Stand up for it. Missed. Fat get. Come on. There you go. Miyako says thank you. You've got to work for it. You can't just have it for free. Trying to make a move back up after its offering. Maybe $11. Got another halt to the downside with Cheetahnet. So CNT may bounce, turn around. It was like this yesterday. Lots of halts to the downside. Then it turned around at 270 and went up to $45. Yeah, that's all anyone comes here for, Chesty. Cheers for sharing that, Abdul Al-Haq. Now it's time to size it down and scale into the age bride. Okay. Make it nice. Candle 98. Oh. And $10. candle. I'll put my stop. Basically, just getting back. Back up, and we'll add the position. Screws up the risk reward, obviously. Like I said, 20. Add to it. Oh. I'm not risking anything. Break highs, I'll skip over 1050. Safety net. 29. That. A little bit. So you guys getting on? Ethernet still breaking lows, although it's resumed. It's trying to move up now, probably into a halt. So CTNT halting the upside now. Not quite yet. Oh, halt. 579 is the halt level. The upside. It just was. $30 green. That's good stuff, Tom. Keep it up. $579 is the halt level. That's where it's at. Thanks. Open 592. So I don't know why the halt level is 579. I don't know. We'll figure. $590 halt level to the upside. $483 on the downside. Halts along the way. TPP 950. $10. What's the halt level? 971. I can't believe that. She's gone to sleep already, started snoring. and pulling back. Overbacks. Where's that come from? At the moment, yesterday as well. Breaking highs since off the announcement last week. Or Friday week, wasn't it? If he breaks $5, Adam, I might be interested with EMC. It's currently at 470s and change. High of day, a session high of 476. If it gets over $5, like I said, I might have a look. Right, over back. Right, it's on the 9 here. Oh. Answer. Breaking before. Handle 38. No. 40. The material is smashing high. Here at 370. Well, let it get green on the day first there, Adam. Testing 480, EMC. What's the halt level to the side? Going green on the day. 496 is the halt level, so it's not, right now, it gets there, it's not going to break $5 without a halt. So, slow down if it's break $5. Smash that pre-market high, test it 4 here, and the $1, and move back up. This is 483, so at least green on the day now. $5.5 cents on the range, so it's not exactly the most volatile of stocks, but you've got all the whole ape army movement behind it. Testing $10 again. Testing $10 here. Oh. Pull back. Get a secondary. I guess not. Well, I think I'm going to lock it down, guys. So let's see what we're at. So 6K today, and have a look. So this here is, well, this is my laptop screen, and this is what I'm dealing with every single day. So I mean, I'll show you. Actually, I'll show you my my screen a little bit. Well, I'll show you the setup. But this is how I've got Benzinga set up. So this is what I've got on one. I've got 4 screens in front of me, and this is what I've got here. Benzinga. So I got Benzinga set up, and if you want to check out Benzinga, check the link tree, and you can get there. I've got my, where's my cursor? I've got my gap scanner here. I've got my momentum surging scanners here, momentum scanner here, signals and alerts, and of course rolling news ticker. So that's how I've got Benzinga set up. But anyway, let's go. And if you want to get Benzinga, check out the link tree. You find it in my profile if you're watching on TikTok, or you'll find it pinned in the chat or in the description there on the YouTube or Rumble or Twitch or whatever. See the link tree, TikTok Trader. So check that out. And Benzinga, BZ, just click that. 14 days free. If you're wondering how to set it up, if you don't need a credit card or just an email address, so you can actually try it for free for 14 days, find these stocks to, and if you've got an email address, that's all you need. And if at the end of that you do like it and you want to subscribe into Benzinga, use the code DTWT35. It'll get you 35% off. That's Day Trade with Tony 35. So DTWT35, and that'll get you 35% off. Of course, you can come join Day Trade with Tony community and learn how to trade with Tony, and sign up for a course. I can get you 35% off. There's a summer sale at the moment, 35% off for this month, and we've got till 1st of June to get signed up. And here's the full syllabus, and get bonus all my own ebook reading library on day trading, and a few other books in there, finance books in there, all for the wonderful price of 120 bucks, less than 120 bucks, less the 35% off. So you're talking about less than 90 bucks, or less than 2 bucks if you want to go for 3 months, or 600 bucks if you want to go for a year. So yeah, check that out. That is, and we've got what else? Merchandise, Day Trade with Tony merch. Get your merch, get your coffee cups, get your tumblers, your sweaters, your baseball caps, t-shirts, whatever you want. And I'm not saying it makes you a better trader, but it makes you a better looking trader. If you're wearing a Day Trade with Tony t-shirt at your trading desk, it might not make you a better trader, but it certainly will make you a better looking trader. And check out, as I say, check out Trader View. So this is Trader View. Let's have a look at the detailed stats for the month. We've got another 6K to add on to this. So we've got 113K in profit, gross profit, that is. A little over 100K in net profits at the moment. So I'm looking at annual profits, 231, but we'll come to that in a second. So we're having a good month. If I go back to the beginning, let's cover this off. Start off with largest gain 24K, and had some back to like not quite 2 to 1, 57, 40. So again, the trade, I need to get better on my ratios. losing trades. I hold a lot longer than some other gurus might. See here, on average, I'm profitable. Let's get rid of that because I want to look at the date and look at this date. See, here today, we're just past the quarter mil mark yesterday. We're another 6k to add on to this, so that's 258, and averaging half of what we did last year. So we've got a little way to go to get to the 7 figures. We're not going to get to the 7 figures. Highly unlikely to get to the 7 figures. If we get to 750, I'll be very happy bunny. But if you look at the month, yeah, we've had a couple of bad months. A really good January. We're betting about having a good May. If we continue at this level for the rest of the year, that'll be fine. But we had went through a bit of a bad patch, and it happens. But we had a red month, 2 red months, in fact, and it happens. You get into it, and sometimes you need to stop and regroup. And I had to do that. I started a size down. And now I'm getting a bit more aggressive, and I'm putting the big wins together. So that's a big thing there as well. But if you look at that, Thursdays, and that was largely down to 15th February, and I know exactly what that was. There's a loss on there. I'm losing at 8 o'clock, so I'm not going to trade between after 8 o'clock right now. Let's have a look at on a 15-minute basis. So on a 15-minute basis, right, top of the hour at 8 o'clock, that's when I made that big loss on that Thursday, and it's in all the numbers, but you can see majority of the time I'm actually making whatever time I'm trading this. That February, big loss in February on the 5th, and yeah, so that's where we are. So come check out all the links in the link tree. Capital Markets, broker I use. Dash Trader is the platform I'm using for everybody that's asking me questions. What level of Benzinga is needed? It's the essential package or the silver package. This price is about $200, 197, I think it is. So get your discount. Make sure you get a discount off that, Jeff, because you want live data, you want access to the scanners, and yeah. AMC popped up, popped back down again. So let's go back to and guys, and that's me done for the day, guys. So I do intend to have a quick look at a little bit later. I'm just going to go and have a drink, I think. Over gold and everything either choppy or pulling back, with the exception of metamaterials. Metamaterials still breaking highs. It's about to test the pre-market high at 430.31. So that's the level to watch. 431 on metamaterials. Yeah. So I'm done for another day. I'm going to lock it up and not give it back, and I will be back tomorrow, same place, same time. So 7 o'clock for the scanners, 8 o'clock for me person, and we'll do it all again tomorrow. So in the meantime, guys, have a good rest of your day, afternoon, evening, whatever time it is where you are, and I'll see you tomorrow. Take it easy, guys.
Living the life, living large, Tony's in charge. He's got the knowledge, the skills, and the art. Streaming live, stock trading all day, helping people learn and make money their own way. From Wall Street to Tokyo, Tony's got the flow. Teach you the game, ain't nothing to show. He's got the charts, the trends, and the moves. Making profit, making moves is groove.